Ugly. I'm gonna put makeup on, then you can videotape me, okay, Kirsten?
Okay, go put it on.
I'm gonna put it... No! Okay, save the camera somewhere else. Ew, what is this? When did this get there? Why are you showing up on my butt? Kirsten, everything, I'm gonna go put makeup on.
Go.
Okay.
Not even videotaping here.
You're such a liar.
Waiting. Let me see then. Like this.
Come here, I see the red light.
There is no red light, you dumb butt.
Yes, there is.
Okay, I'll back off. I'll back
What
off.
do I do?
Backing up.
Back it up, back it up. You got it. I'm not gonna get well for you. I'm sorry, Kirsten. This isn't going on Facebook.
That was just enough for me.
That's too much for you. I win. Scare her away. Just kidding. You're really gonna put this on Facebook so then we can see it while we're on the phone. No, you're not.